If you repeat the 18 words I'm about to share with you every night before you go to bed, you'll find yourself having an unfair advantage to the people around you, finding an increased sense of clarity, a greater sense of creativity, and a level of energy that you've probably never felt before. That's because this phrase taps into something ancient, something that's always been there, something that's been deep within you, and something that secret societies and esoteric circles know about but will never share with you. These 18 words tap into something universal, a type of life force that's all around us, something that you may have even made contact with accidentally when you feel shivers going up your spine, when you resonate with something so deeply, when you walk into a room and have a strong sixth sense and can really cut the tension with a knife. This is not a mistake. It's not an accident. It's a deep, ancient part of you that's been waiting to be unlocked. And in the new economy, that's going to prize your creativity, your intuition, and your ability to tap into forces much larger than yourself. This simple phrase will become incredibly valuable to you. So, with that being said, let's get right into it. So, how do you actually do this? You must every night before you go to bed practice this for just about 10 minutes. When you sit down, sit somewhere quiet, or you can lay down in your bed with your left palm facing up and your right palm facing down. This is just a simple way to open up the energetic parts of your body. Your body is able to send and receive energy, and the left side of your body is typically considered the receiving side of energy. The right side is typically considered the giving side of energy. So the most important thing here is to have your left palm up and be in a relaxed state. Become aware of all the parts of your body. Become aware of the emotional tension that you've been saving up in your body. And just the simple awareness of it is enough for it to start to let go. And once you've done that, you can now enter into a state of silence. When you're in a state of silence, you simply become the observer of your thoughts and emotions, because they are not you. Just like this camera is not you. This water bottle is not you. And just like that, your thoughts and emotions are objects just like that. And to watch your thoughts and emotions like salmon or fish flowing down a stream. And eventually what you'll find is there's really no thought happening because you are you. You found the center of your awareness. And this center of awareness, you're going to repeat the following phrase. And I'm going to break down what this phrase actually even means. I am one with the universal life force energy. It is flowing through me. I feel it now. Now, what's the magic behind this phrase? It recognizes you on 3 levels of existence because you exist on 3 different planes. You're on a physical plane, as a physical body that you can see right now. You're on a mental plane, which is where your mind resides. Typically, many people will say your mind is in your brain. That's not true. There's nothing happening in your brain. Your brain is a sender and receiver of signals, of information that comes from beyond even time and space. And that makes up the substance, the invisible substance of your mind. And the last level here is the spiritual level or the soul level. This is another part of you that's existed before you were even here and is really the essence of who you are. Many people spend lifetimes uncovering this part of themselves, but this exercise will begin to make hidden parts of yourself clear to you. So the way we break it down here is I am one with the universal life force energy. And when you say that, you're basically acknowledging your existence at a soul level, your oneness with this universal life force, because it is in all things. It is flowing through me now. When you say it is flowing through me now, you're acknowledging it on a mental level. Because whatever you believe on the mental plane, whatever you believe in your mind, is going to be true for you. Think about it. If you believe something strong enough, your reality will show you evidence of these things actually even existing. This is the magical power of our minds and the power of belief. So when you say these things, you must say them with your mind and you must say them with conviction, because it's only with conviction that it'll be proven to you over time. And the last part here is you're acknowledging the feeling itself. I feel it now. That it is actually flowing through your body. And when you acknowledge these three things together, something magical will begin to happen. You'll begin to feel a sort of sensation in your left palm. You'll begin to actually feel physical energy running through channels of your body. And as you go to sleep at night, you're going to maybe find some of the most incredible dreams, the most vivid dreams you've ever had. And in the morning, upon waking up, you might have some incredible realizations of those dreams or just realizations overall. And as time goes on, you're going to get a greater sense of clarity, a greater sense of purpose. Doing this exercise has helped me even get back into the gym, quit many addictions that are holding me back, find a deeper sense of purpose, have endless energy to do incredible things throughout my day. And in doing that, you can escape this level of burnout. You can escape this system that's constantly trying to keep you in fear, keeping you from the things that you desire. I know you want to build things. I know you have desires that are left unfulfilled. And doing this process every night will help you get there. And subscribe to the channel if you have not already. If you're enjoying this content, if you found this valuable. Until next time, peace.